This is part 2 of our maps installation. Now we installed our map, as you can see, manually as I embedded the iframe from Google Maps. So what I need to do to finish this installation is scroll down to the bottom and where you see location on map, click on that tab and it shows you another map. This is a generic map using the Google Map API key. Now what we need to do is input the address and then click hide map on property details. Yes, because we don't want to have two maps, because this API key is difficult to get. You have to be a developer to register, and it's very difficult. So the easy way is doing it the manually way. I showed you how to embed the map in the first video. Okay, the reason we need to put the address in the property location box is, let's go preview this page, this property page. And you scroll down, see this is our map that we put in the first video. As you can see, the location for the address is there in that little space where it says sold. Because if you don't put nothing, it'll be a blank, and it kind of helps to show what the address of the property is in that area. So when people looking at the images, they can see the address. There we go. And don't forget to click hide yes and hiding the map. Okay, now let's go look at the API key. So let's go out of our property page, go to in the left column under properties, hit settings and hit the maps tab, and there you see the Google Maps API key that I'm using from my Island Web Tech API, but it's very complicated to set up. So in this situation, for your use, I think as we go back to the property, I think the best situation would be to manually install the Google Map for that particular property on each page. And don't forget to put your address and click yes on do not display the property, and then you should be good to go.